What if you were told that the freedom you enjoy today was not always a given? Welcome to our journey through time, exploring the civil rights movement that transformed the landscape of social justice. In the mid-20th century, the United States bore witness to a seismic shift in civil rights. This era, known as the Civil Rights Movement, was not merely a series of events, but a whirlwind of change that spanned over 2 decades, from the mid-1940s to the late 60s. The story begins in 1941, when President Franklin D. Roosevelt, under pressure from civil rights leader A. Philip Randolph, issued the Fair Employment Act. This marked the first significant step towards racial equality by prohibiting racial discrimination in the defense industry. Fast forward to 1954, a monumental year that saw the Supreme Court decision in Brown versus Board of Education. This landmark ruling declared segregation in public schools unconstitutional, tearing down the walls of the separate but equal doctrine. Next, we turn to the 1960s, a decade that embodied the spirit of the civil rights movement. In 1960, 4 African American students sat at a segregated lunch counter in Greensboro, North Carolina, sparking a wave of sit-ins across the country. This nonviolent protest method became a powerful tool in the fight for equality. 1964 was another pivotal year. The Civil Rights Act was signed into law by President Lyndon B. Johnson, prohibiting discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. This was followed by the Voting Rights Act in 1965, which outlawed discriminatory voting practices. The civil rights movement is a testament to the courage and resilience of those who fought against racial inequality. It began with the Fair Employment Act in 1941, challenging racial discrimination. The movement gained momentum with the Brown v. Board of Education ruling in 1954, which dismantled school segregation. The sit-ins of the 1960s demonstrated the power of non-violent protest, and the passing of the Civil Rights Act in 1964 and the Voting Rights Act in 1965 marked significant legal victories for racial equality. The civil rights movement is a crucial part of our history, a period of transformation that shaped the society we live in today. But remember, history is not just about the past. It's about understanding how we arrived at our present and how we can shape our future. If you found this journey enlightening, do not forget to like this video and share it with others. Subscribing to our channel will ensure you do not miss out on future historical explorations. Thank you for joining us on this voyage through time.